Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Zain with you. Today we are diving into Superlist, the productivity app that's been getting a lot of buzz in 2025. Whether you are a freelancer, a team leader, or just someone who loves organized to do lists, we'll cover the pros, cons, pricing, features, and help you decide if it is worth your time or not. And for now, let's get started. What is Superlist? Superlist is essentially a modern task and project management app designed to replace your endless sticky notes, spreadsheets, and email reminders. Think of it as a cross between a personal to-do list app and a team collaboration tool, like Todoist meets Notion. It works across desktop, mobile, and web, and focuses heavily on clean design, quick task creation, and minimal distraction. In 2025, they have added real time collaboration, custom templates, and integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Notion. Key features. Here are some standout features in 2025. Number one, we have smart lists and filters. Create dynamic lists that automatically sort tasks by due date, priority, or tags. Collaboration mode. Share lists with teammates, assign tasks, and track progress without extra project management plot. Integrated notes and attachments. Add context to tasks with documents, images, or even voice notes. Calendar sync. Two-way sync with Google Calendar, Outlook, and Apple Calendar. Custom templates. Set up recurring projects like content calendars or onboarding checklists with just one click. Offline mode. Access and edit your tasks even without internet. They have also made big improvements in speed. Everything feels instant with almost zero lag. Pros. So what is great about Superlist? Number one, beautiful and minimal interface. It's easy to navigate and makes staying organized actually enjoyable. Fast and responsive. Adding tasks takes seconds, which makes it less of a core. Flexible use. Works for solo use or team projects without being overwhelming. Great for collaboration. Real-time updates and task comments make communication smooth. Solid free plan. Many features are available without paying a dime. Cross-platform sync. Seamlessly moves between phone, tablet, and computer. Cons. For sorry, new tool is perfect. Here are the downsides. Limited advanced project features. If you are used to ClickUp or Asana, you might miss things like Gantt charts or advanced reporting. Learning curve for teams. While simple for solo use, onboarding and entire team can take some setup. Offline mode limitations. You can edit offline, but large file attachments sometimes do not load. Still growing. Some integrations are in beta, so reliability varies. Basically, it's excellent for light to medium project management, but heavy enterprise users might outgrow it. Pricing. Pricing is straightforward. Free plan, great for personal use, includes unlimited tasks, basic collaboration, and calendar sync. Pro plan, around $7 per month billed annually, unlocks unlimited collaborators, priority support, and advanced filters. Team plan, custom pricing for organizations with extra admin controls and security features. Honestly, the free plan is generous and the pro plan is affordable compared to competitors. Who is it for? If you are a freelancer, student, or small team, Superlist can absolutely replace your current to-do app and streamline your workflow. If you manage large-scale corporate projects with dozens of dependencies, you might need something heavier like Jira or Monday.com. But you could still use Superlist for your personal task list. Final verdict. My verdict, Superlist in 2025 is fast, simple, and beautifully designed. Perfect for people who want to be more organized without drowning in features they will never use. And it is not a replacement for enterprise project management tools, but for most everyday professionals, it is a joy to use. So my rating to this is 8.5 out of 10. And if they polish integrations and offline mode, it could be a 9 plus. So that is my honest review of Superlist in 2025. Have you tried it yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I would love to hear about how it works for you. And for now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you do not miss my next productivity app breakdown. See you in the next tutorial or next review.